folks, it's me again. What am I doing? Got something weird for you. It's not that weird, but it has to do with this thing, which I should turn off. I have one with a cord snipped off. I have this one, and I have another one up there I never used. So, but this is not about a light. It's not. It has nothing to do with this thing. I'm just using this so I could show you something. So anyway, if I go like this, got this bulb. It's a Sengled bulb. What's so good about this bulb? I'll show you in a second. Doesn't work, but what did you? Let me see if you hear that. Hear that noise? This bulb has a speaker in it. It's a USB light bulb speaker, and I had it in my house for a while because it was fun novelty. I think I bought it during the pandemic. So what I want to do is cut it open, see what's inside, just because that's me. So I'm gonna cut a bulb open, and why not? So that's the. I know it works. Well, it kind of works. We've had it for about maybe, I don't know, 5-6 years. So I'm gonna see if I can chop it open. Like, the worst part about this crap in our wonderful, wasteful society is they sell you stuff like this and you can't even take them apart. You have to figure out, see this? See, you can't even, I'm sure there's a way to take this apart. Let's see if we can, without cutting my fingers off here, see if I can find a screwdriver here. Let's see. I know it's this. It's a little flat one there. I wonder if we can take this apart here. Seems to be a little piece here. Oh, there we go. So now we got a LED face here, which is kind of cool. And there's little tiny speakers in here. Guess we'll take this, turn it back around again. Oh, wrong one. Wrong one. Pull up tip here. No, I'm not putting this thing back together. So yeah, go like this. There we go. Come on. There we go. Let's see what's in it. Whole lot of micro, super duper mini itty bitty screws. Oh. I have a pair of tweezers, maybe. There's one. Unscrew. Oh, come on. Great. Maybe use a big screwdriver. Alrighty. Why is it doing this? I need a mini screwdriver. I have many screwdrivers, and this one doesn't work for some reason. Maybe I need a bigger one. Is that it? There we go. There's a bigger one here. Totally forgot about this. What is it? Klein tools? Let's see. Here's the work. There we go. Take that one out. Take this one out. I'm pretty sure there's nobody out there who, like, yeah, my light bulb went dead. Can you replace the LEDs? I mean, who knows? Maybe there is. If there is somebody that fixes light bulbs, let me know. I'm sure, you know, somebody getting paid $75 an hour to fix light bulbs. The bulb's worth $9. This one's not worth $9. This was more expensive. But I mean, if they had like this little piece you could just snap in and take it out, it'd be nice. I think this one you probably could actually. But I'm not fixing it. I'm destroying it. Why? Because I like destroying things before I put them in the garbage. So we'll take this screw out, take this one out, take this one out. Come on. Take this one out. Take that one out. Take that one out. Oops, there we go. Hold on. Hold on. Come on. Don't do this to me. There we go. There's another one. And here should be another one. Come on. So these little things come off. They'll come off. Come on. Off we go. Hey, caramba. Come on, man. Hey, caramba. Let's go like this. There we go. There's just 2 speakers in here. So that's just a plastic, that's a cover. There's a big chunk of metal in here. Huge chunk. Huge. Turn this around. The bulb is quite heavy, actually. It probably weighs a good pound or 2. Is it pound? Actually, let's do this first. See if we take this out. This would be a good time to have an electric screwdriver. I have one, but I think my son lost it. I even had I bought this cheap little drill at Aldi's. I was going to do a review of it. It got destroyed by a toddler. He found it and he loved it. He lost all the bits, lost the charger, destroyed the case, and I was never able to do a review of it. Well, all the screws came out of that. Maybe the cover comes off. There's a magnet in there. Come on, get off there. Come on, get off there. Let's try unscrewing this now. See, there's a top off. Got all the screws off it. Sengled. Yeah, that's the brand name. Turn the lid on. Should be a little brighter. As long as I don't show my face, it won't look like I have a giant sunburn. Dun, 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 dun. Come on. I like the little end part that swivels on the end. Whoever designed that like 10 zillion years ago was a genius. Come on. I'll try to high speed this whole video for you. So you can enjoy that. Yep. All right, now let's see. Does this come off? This thing must come out somehow. I unscrewed it from what? What the hell's going on here? What the hell does it do? Does this come out? There's that piece I just broke off. And screwed it from that, but that's not coming out. So I got a flat screwdriver here somewhere. Let's see. 5 million tools, and do I come prepared? No. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at that. Wait, let's go like this. Da-dum, da-dum. There we go. What's going on here? Okay, the wires pulling out of here. So, like, could have swore I bought a new set of wire cutters. Where'd they go? There we go. Rip the wires right out. Here's the little light, which is pretty cool. There's 2 little disconnects in here. Basically, it's here's the inner core of it. You can see it. It's pretty neat. There's a little speaker magnet in here. Some copper. There's a little magnet. There we go. Oh, holy shit. Holy Toledo, man. That is one strong little magnet. I like magnets. It's quite the... That's got a... I can slide it off, but holy crap. That is one little... So yeah, it's got a little thing bobber in here. This must come out somehow. Yeah, a little plastic doohickey. Another plastic doohickey probably comes out. It's pretty cool because there's like this. I mean, you gotta throw a light bulb out. Look how much. What is this? Pot metal? Just crappy little. Is it even magnetic? See? Holy crap! You know, it's some kind of alloy. And the rest of the bulb is this. This is like a solid rubbery. What is this? Like, let's see if I get it out. It's like a chalky kind of thing, you see? Look what's in this. It's like they poured an eraser inside it. Weird. Seriously weird. Ah, there's a circuit board in there. Look at that. Buried in there is a circuit board. Let's throw this crap out of here before it gets everywhere. There's a whole. Take this out of here. Inside here is like this rubbery ooze. And just. There's like a diode I see or something in there. I'm not an engineer. I don't know what the hell this shit is. Look, it's coming out of here in chunks. Chunky monkey. See, it's rubbery. It's probably, you can use it as an eraser. Yeah. It's rubbery like an eraser. Probably is eraser material. Something else in there. If you look in here, there's a circuit board in there, see? It's kind of strange. I don't think it's gonna work anymore. Don't think so. Don't think so. Maybe somebody on another channel can tell me what this stuff is. Oh, there's like two boards that are kind of working together. Let's see. Let's get all this crap out of here. Weird. Let's speed up the process a little and use the old-fashioned method. Let's see. See now. There we go. See? It's all this rubbery, chunky stuff here. Hope there's no capacitors in here, because I don't want to get juiced by a capacitor. Come on. Let's get this freaking thing out of here. That's pretty cool. It's like a giant. It's even in the bottom here. That is so weird. It's like a light bulb inside of a light bulb. Let's see this thing. There's the little screw-in part. Here's the outer casing that I cut up, and this big rubbery blob with a circuit board inside it. A whole lot of glass there. That is so weird. So freaking weird. I'm not going to spend all day taking this out, but look at that. They just poured some. It literally is like like I said, it's like an eraser. It's got the same texture and everything, except it crumbles. Maybe it's crumbled. This does crumble like an eraser. Pretty cool though. So anyway, now we know exactly what's in this thing. A whole lot of junk. See, that's what I mean about products. Here's these wonderful new space-age light bulbs, and look how much shit is in it. How do you recycle this? You grind it all up, burn off all the plastic, and hope there's anything recyclable left, except for carbon in the atmosphere. And oh, there goes the environment. Oh my God, we're all gonna die. Go to hell. So, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching this little video. Stay tuned and enjoy. Thanks for watching.